I'm the director of Marshall's Wall Coverings. We are pioneers of wall coverings since 41 years, and we are located at 45 stores across 21 cities in India. In a service industry, you're only as good as your last service to the customer, and wall covering is still a concept selling product in India. So when it comes to customers, there are a lot of doubts that they have in mind, and a lot of thoughts which they're not very sure about how to take things forward, which is where the audits help. Red Quanta, we've been using their services for the last 1.5 years, and they've come into the picture to, monitor, to check, and to give us a feedback as to how our employees are serving the customer. We have one level where a customer walks into our store and sees the product, but that's not where the story ends. We need to visit the customer, see his setup, and then suggest whether what he selected in the showroom would work for him or not work for him. End of the day, Marshalls is an end-to-end service provider. So for us, it's a 3-level audit. We have a telephone audit wherein we monitor, how people are talking to customers on the phone. Then we have a showroom audit where the auditors come to the showroom, see our presentation, how the showroom is, how they are being attended. And third audit is at the site where the auditor invites our field person at the site for measurements, estimation, and so on. Now, in terms of scaling up, we've adopted the franchise model to reach out to the customer and to be available to him where he is. Now, it's very important for us to ensure that what we want to deliver to the customer, every person at Marshalls delivers. Out of these 45 showrooms that we have, I would say 5 are Marshalls and 40 are franchised. It has helped us monitor the way our employees are functioning, the way they are addressing the customer. It has helped us realign certain ways of working. Yeah, so there are a lot of takeaways that we have from the association. I think the methodology that they are adopting is very, very interesting. So they don't have employed auditors. They are taking consumers and bringing them on the forum and getting them to audit and do things. So a lot of insights, not just how this has happened, but also in relation to how it was the last time, and these are the improvisations and these still remain unattended. So a very detailed kind of a report that gets created, which gives us the right pointers that we need to speak to our people about. We thought that this audit is meant only for us to give us insights on how our team is doing. But it was Pankaj's suggestion from Red Quanta that inform your employees that look, these audits are happening and they would happen regularly, and so that every customer is looked at as an auditor and given the best to. We have rewards and penalties as a part of our working, and audits from Red Quanta are looked forward to by the right kind of employees because they have reward credits that they get for every audit that goes in their favor. I think the enthusiasm level has increased because the right ones know that they will only be rewarded, and the bad ones know that they need to pull up their socks, and for the difference that we see in their performance, they anyways get rewarded. So it's been a win-win situation, and rewards is what everyone appreciates. I would recommend Red Quanta to every retailer to get a feedback on what your people talk to your customer, how they treat your customer. It's an eye-opener. Don't think of it as a cost, think of it as an investment in improving your service.